And this is the Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash dish spray. This particular one is a fresh scent. I also have its little buddy, the refills. These are nice because you can just swap it out, keep your nozzle. And I've got a pretty dirty pot in the sink. I've already applied this Dawn Power Wash and let it soak. And I'm gonna be washing it and adding just a little bit more as I scrub. The grease is starting to come off. Not even having to scrub very hard. As you can see, it does a pretty good job getting off tough grease, and sometimes I let certain things soak in order to just get a little bit easier scrub out of it. But I'm really happy with the Dawn Power Wash, and my favorite part is just that it comes in this handy trigger type of nozzle, because when I'm got wet hands and I'm doing dishes, it just makes it really simple and easy to grab that and not have to worry about extra soaps and everything. I do use a dish wand to scrub with, but the soap really isn't needed because this does a good job of putting the soap in there, eating the grease, and highly recommend if you have some really dirty dishes.